Alright guys, now we're gonna go head over to the first season opener that's happened in Calgary in like 2 years. And it's being hosted by a whole bunch of local brands, but I think mostly by Custom Decals. So I'm just gonna quickly load up the XB and we're gonna make our way down there. Anyone who needs to wash their car, will wash their car right across the street, and also probably go grab some coffee. Again, there's a show happening in a few days, which is the Calgary Driven show. So this is kind of just like a tester, you know, a season opener. It's just because all the cars are already out. So, and also like beautiful day outside. All right. What's up, dude? Perfect timing. Perfect timing. What's going on? Man, the screws came up on this. And then screw them down properly. That means it's gonna bend the trim. My bad. We're heading out now. Going to a car wash first called Top Gear. We're probably gonna see a lot of people there. That's the one that's literally like a minute from the actual location of the meet. And we got Quan driving the XP. We're gonna be rolling Skittles today. Hey! How are we doing? Oh, what the hell? You in battle? What the hell? What the hell? Hey, brother! What's up, man? Made it. There's a mini show happening over here. Oh, fucking FDs. Actually, those two right there. Maybe one day. But we're probably gonna see all these guys. They're mainly all here to prep too, but Top Gear Car Wash for anyone who lives in Calgary. Pretty top. This is the cleanest this car has been in the past like 8 months since putting it away. Maybe I'm exaggerating. We needed to clean it up anyway before we wrapped it, so now's a better time as any. This is the stuff we use. Megwars, sponsor us, please. Batman.
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 Batman. Batman.
Batman.
Like your finger.
Batman. All right, we here. Gotta set up our booth. Quan is trying to fit the XB into this space right behind the booth, but it's too tight. You're gonna have to maneuver right in between right here. Give you guys a little status update. Booth's almost set up, but it's just really windy. But more cars definitely are here now. I gotta eat breakfast. I gotta eat my pancakes. My pancakes.
Yeah, we have to have a competition. No, it's sales.
Oh, nice.
We have to have a competition. Who can sell the most? Every hour. We'll
for
do like,
sure,
we'll
for
see.
sure.
We should do that this year.
It's just a little incentive for us to actually push, you know? Look who made it. Hello. Hi, Go-Jam. Look. Hi. Chilling in the Ninjago merch. So I'm gonna change Gohan into his. By the way, we're gonna be having the drop pretty soon for Ninjago. So if you guys aren't already following us on the socials for Ninjago, pretty easy, Nindoggo, and you're gonna be able to find stuff like this, which is like a tactical vest for dogs. Go on, come here. Look at that, huh? Sick, huh? The cool ones, huh?
Did you lose weight, baby?
Go on, it's okay, man. What the hell? He's gonna hide, look. Oh. back to the booth. Went for a round. Oh, he really doesn't like car shows. I think it's more so he doesn't like the loud noises from exhaust. But I was sure I got him used to that. But yeah, back into the XB he goes. It's all good, homie. You gotta get used to this, buddy. Did it. Hey! Ah! Looking at Gohan in the back. They're all looking at Gohan. I'd say other than it being super windy and us battling the elements, like our booth is trying to fly away and it's been doing this all day. But other than that, really awesome turnout. There's actually so many people here and I feel like they're just gonna chill. Cause yeah, I don't know, for Sunday, what else is there to do? Just relax. Thanks for the help, Quam!
No
He's
problem.
supposed to be visiting and just relaxing. But he's
This is
doing most of the work.
You know me, this is always work.
Oh, sure.
Iwan na namin to dyan. Paano mo na sa
We'll just
kuya
go
mo?
home. Okay, sure. Oh,
Kasi ayaw talaga lumabas.
I know.
Okay, ready?
Yes. If not, just send me the clip and I'll put it in this part of the vlog. Well, you guys obviously can't see it, but yeah. Oh. It's the car's eyes thing, but he actually made the app himself. We found some supporters of the channel. You want to make a shout out to anybody?
Shout out to you or something.
Thanks, man. Thanks for the shout out. Yo, one for you too, man. Peace. Actually, there's more cars over here. Got the Skittles gang. Damn. They're all like so vibrant. It was this green that drew me, man. This might actually be really close to our color. NVG37. I think this is our color, guys. This is what the gloss NV green's gonna look like. We'll see, we'll see. It's a little too, hey, rocking our Grogu sticker. That's dope. You guys just get here?
Yeah, man, just pulled up.
What's up, buddy? Sweet, man. Lots to look at, dude.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Good seeing you, man.
You guys enjoy. Skittles crew. Looking at it underneath blue light or a blue sky, this green's growing on me. That actually looks nice.
One more.
You look the same.
I got 3 years on that.
Man, what the hell? It's like I had a motorized bike. Woo!
That was a bicycle with a motor. Super loud for such a...
Yeah! Dude, that was going fast up the hill, man. Guy covers. Yo, thanks again, Quan. Preach.
What a
Yo,
day.
everyone was with me on the road.
I
That
know.
that dad van is like, let's go. I'm like, oh.
I know, because he saw me recording you guys. He's like, why didn't you record me too, bro?
Gotcha.
Why didn't you record me too? I'm like, I'm sorry, here, let me get you one right now.
Oh man, pretty good show, I'd say. Just organizing now. We didn't actually, I forgot this box, but it had a whole bunch of other merch. That's okay. That gives us an idea of what we actually need to bring come Saturday for Driven. So, fun show, kind of windy. We missed the part where the tent flew up into Gutu's car and left a huge scratch on his roof, but it'll buff out. Other than that, before I let you go, actually, there is one announcement. This weekend is the Calgary, well actually tomorrow, depending on if I release this vlog in time, it will be released in time. May 7th at the Olympic Oval here in Calgary, the first car event of the year is happening and is called the Driven Car Show. And I've brought you guys there before, but I mean, hoping to see what 2 years worth of just being cooped up at home has done to other people's builds. I'm excited to show you guys what the Super looks like, that's for sure. But yeah, you guys are just gonna either have to go to the event or just wait until the next vlog is released. So May 7th, Calgary Driven, the Olympic Oval. Appreciate y'all for watching, and we'll see you guys this weekend, maybe.